While there are differing opinions on their origins, it is widely believed that the Lyon clan descended from a French family called de Leonnne, who migrated to Scotland in the late 11th century. Led by Roger de Leonnne, the Lyon clan established their roots in Perthshire, particularly in the lands later known as Glen Lyon. Their initial integration into Scottish society coincided with Edgar, son of Malcolm II, who fought against his uncle, Bane, for the throne. It was during this time that the Lyons were granted lands in Perthshire, marking the beginning of their enduring presence in the region. The Lyon clan's rise to prominence can be attributed to Sir John Lyon, commonly referred to as the White Lyon due to his fair complexion. In 1372, he was bestowed with the thanage of Glamis by Robert II. His exceptional abilities led to his appointment as Chamberlain of Scotland and, significantly, his marriage to Princess Jean, the daughter of the king. This union not only brought illustrious lineage to the Lyon family, but also bestowed upon them the lands of Tannadice on the River Esk and later the barony of Kinghorne. Throughout their history, the Lyon clan faced their share of trials and tribulations. Lady Glamis, wife of the 6th Lord Glamis, suffered a tragic fate. Falsely accused of witchcraft, she was burned at the stake in 1540, leaving a legacy of courage and defiance. Her young son was also condemned to death but was ultimately released following the king's passing. These dark chapters serve as a testament to the resilience of the Lyon family, who weathered storms with unwavering strength. The Lyon clan's influence extended beyond their ancestral lands. They held positions of great importance in Scottish society, with members serving as Privy Councillors, Chancellor of Scotland, and Keepers of the Great Seal. Their close ties to the royal family were further solidified when the 2nd Earl of Kinghorne developed a close friendship with the Marquis of Montrose. However, political divisions emerged during the tumultuous period of the Covenant, leading to internal conflicts within the Lyon family. The Lyon family's legacy persists to this day, and their ancestral seat, Glamis Castle, serves as a tangible testament to their history. The castle, enlarged and altered over time, bears witness to the family's stature and enduring presence. Today, it stands as a symbol of Scottish heritage, captivating visitors with its architectural splendor and its connection to the Lyon clan's storied past.